Hi there everyone, this is Tracey from Lavinia Stamps and welcome to another tutorial today. We're going to be using the gel press. We've got our bob long here and I've got some watercolour card that I'm going to be taking a print of. So starting with our elements, I'm going to ink up my brayer to create just a base colour, an initial base colour for us to actually sprinkle some Brushos over the top. And I'm going to use the orange. Take some of that ink off first and then you'll get your nice tiny little dots. And with Brushos, I know I say it time and time again, but it is important to actually water these down because they are so strong in colour. And if you don't water them down, the image can look really quite dark. So just remember, a tiny pinch of Brushos and then fill the pixie pots up full to the top of water. Now I'm taking the pink and I'm going to add a little bit of pink as well. I just want a hint of colour on this. Right, so I've got my watercolour card. I'm going to pop that down over the top and let's give that a smooth over. And there we have that lovely background. And those colours just, don't they work so lovely together. So that's, I'll go through those colours again. So it's a Bermuda background. I've used the orange Brushos and I've used the pink. And it's on a watercolour card. So it does make a little bit of difference to the texture and the way it moves. And also with it not being a stark white colour, it's toned it all down, which I think looks really nice actually. I'm going to just trim that down. So I've got a branch stamp here and I'm going to ink that up in the twilight. And I'm going to pop that round about a little bit further up from the middle. Okay. I love this colour. This colour is so nice. It's not obviously black, but it's very dark. It's almost like a navy blue, and I use this a lot if I don't want that too much of a contrast with black. And now I've got some little houses here and I'm going to ink these up again in the twilight. And then I'm popping our house on the branch. And I've got the other two here. I'm going to do exactly the same. Ink up. I'm going to put one here. And we've got our little one. And I'm going to pop that down next to it. So we've got some tree houses. Now I'm going to build up some lovely foliage hanging down here. And I'm taking the warm breeze and I'm going to just start adding this lovely foliage hanging down so. I've got my little floral stamp here, and let's have a think what colour now. Yeah, I think I will go with the Glamorous actually. Add a little bit of colour. The colours are so pretty. Orange and pink. They do look great together. I've got my little moon here as well, so I'm going to pop that mask over the top, and then taking a stencil brush, I'm going to go back to the Bermuda, ink up, and then I'm going to pop that all the way around. Like so. Let's hang a little heart off that as well. Seeing as we're coming up to Valentine's Day. I'm going to pop that just on that branch in the gap, just there. And we can add some words as well. So I'm going to ink up again in the Warm Breeze. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit of glitter now. I think I might stick with the blues. The lights on in the house first. So I've got my white here. You can of course use white or yellow. And we can add a few little dots. It's important just to pay that little bit of attention to detail, because it really does pull your artwork out. I'm going to add the glue pen now, and again I'm just going to dot down, following some of that foliage all the way down. And let's just sprinkle some of this. This is the Mermaid Blue, which is a beautiful sort of green blue. Tap that off. And there it is. So I think that was quite a simple, quick card for you to enjoy creating yourselves, or your take on it really. I hope you enjoyed today's demo. Thank you so much for joining me this week. You take care, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.